Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these new puff patterns that can be used as bookmark, fast mouse adapter, bracelets, headbands, or everything you like. This is what it looks like. Okay, now let's get started. To make these patterns, I'm going to use these yarns. You can use any type of yarns you like. And a crochet hook number 2.75 millimeters. Firstly, make slip knot. Make 6 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make 1 slip stitch in chain 1. Okay, now yarn over, pull it through these 2 loops. After that, make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then make first puff stitch in the circle. This puff stitch is made of 5 incomplete half double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull it through all this incomplete half double crochet until you have 2 loops left on your hook. Then yarn over, pull it through all these 2 loops. This is the first puff. Then make chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet through these 2 side loops. Yarn over, pull it through these loops. Yarn over, pull it through all these 3 loops. Okay. Now make 4 half double crochet on the top of puff pattern. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch in this circle. Then make chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Make puff stitch in this chain space. Just like before, this puff stitch is made of 5 incomplete half double crochet. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. I make it slowly. Then yarn over, pull it through all this incomplete half double crochet. Then you will have 2 loops left on your hook. Then yarn over, pull it through all these 2 loops. Okay, now repeat the previous patterns. Make chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet through these 2 side loops. Yarn over, pull it out, yarn over again, and pull it through these 3 loops. Okay, then make 4 half double crochet on the top of the puff. Sorry, 1, that's 2, 3, and 4. You don't need to make anything after that. Then make chain 3, directly make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 1 slip stitch through this. Actually this is chain stitch, so you need to make 1 slip stitch through this chain stitch. Okay, yarning over, pull it out. It's done. It looks like this. Okay, to make another puff patterns, begin with chain 3, turn the work, make the puff patterns on this chain space. Just like before, this puff pattern is made of 5 incomplete half double crochet. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull it through all this half double crochet, this incomplete half double crochet until you have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over to complete that patterns. Then make chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet through these 2 side loops. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. Then make 4 half double crochet on the top of puff pattern. It's like before exactly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, after this you just need to make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch on the chain stitch. You need to find it, and it is easy for you to find it. Yarn over, pull it through these loops. Okay, now 3 patterns are done. I will show you the last examples. Begin with chain 3, turn the work, and make 4 incomplete half double crochet. Make 5 incomplete half double crochet to form a puff pattern. Okay, now do yarning over, pull it through all these loops, yarn over again to complete the puff pattern. After that, make chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet through these 2 side loops. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull it through the loops, yarn over, pull it through all these 3 loops. Okay, then make 4 half double crochet on the top of the puff. Then make chain 3 and make 1 slip stitch in the chain stitch, just like this. To add more pattern, begin with chain 3, turn the work, and repeat the stitches you used on the previous patterns. Okay, it looks like this. I have just made 7 pairs of puff patterns for this design. This is what it looks like. It's so beautiful and amazing, isn't it? So to complete this part, I will make 1 last puff pattern to make it completely 7 pairs. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like before, this puff pattern is made of 5 incomplete half double crochet. Then do yarning over to complete the puff pattern. Make chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet through these 2 side loops. Then make 4 half double crochet on the top of puff pattern. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is what it looks like. At the last part, you don't need to make chain 3 but chain 2, then make 1 slip stitch on the chain stitch. Okay, then add 1 more chain before you cut the yarn. Now I'm going to cut the yarn. Adjust it well and hide the yarn tails inside the puff pattern. Like this. you need to use your hook to hide this yarn tail inside the puff pattern. Then cut the yarn tail. Okay, now this new adorable puff pattern is ready. You need to adjust it well. Well, everyone can use this pattern to make everything you like. You can use it as a headband, bracelets, bookmark, or face mask adapter. If you want to make it as face mask adapter, you just need to put 2 buttons on it. Well, everybody, I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day and happy crochet!